Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back. Quick video today. We're doing an unboxing for the GoPro Hero 9. Let's take a look. So first of all, I just got to say, you get this nice GoPro case, which is pretty cool. I'm happy about that. Let's open it up here. And there it is. So there's the battery. There's the battery. And focus on me again. There we go. All right. Pull the camera itself out here. It's got some weight to it. You got the dual screens, which is nice. I didn't opt for the max lens adapter. You never know. I might do that later, but it you can't actually shoot 4K with the max lens adapter on there. There's a lot of things after reading the reviews that it didn't work for, so I figured it wasn't worth the extra $100 at this point. So I just got the camera, the basic camera, and as you can see, the mount for your normal, just clipping your GoPro onto things, is built right in, and they fold right in, and that is awesome. That's gonna make it so much easier. And having the screen on the front as well. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it, and we're gonna do some testing it out today, I think. All right, now we're just gonna quickly go through the accessories. This was actually in the GoPro case, but what you get in here, you get your little stick-on clip, your battery, you get one of the little guys there, and then this. Now the accessories that I got though, this is the charger, has a USB plug-in right there, and then a little digital gauge here that'll tell me, you know, the percentage of the batteries that are charging and stuff, so that's cool. Then we have this guy is aluminum, so he's nice and sturdy. This guy you use to actually tighten it or loosen it, apparently. And then here is the little sleeve with the lanyard thing. You just kind of wear it around your neck or carry it or whatever you want to do, so that's cool. Makes it easy. So yeah, anyway guys, comment below if you have a Hero 9 or if you're looking to get one, or maybe you have a Hero 10. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Till next time, take care.